Okay guys, is it necessary to have a VEVO channel today? What a question. VEVO is an on-demand music video website and platform. The company uses the branding service managed in conjunction with Google, Sony Music Entertainment, Universal Music Group, Abu Dhabi Media Company, and Arthur Music Company. So VEVO is a platform that belongs to many different entities. And these are the points of why it's not necessary to have a VEVO channel today. The first one is because you have no control of the content. I mean, you cannot log into the VEVO channel. In consequence, you cannot edit your videos, add something to your video, cards, URLs, etc. Second, after YouTube launched the official artist channel, it is no longer so necessary to have a VEVO channel on YouTube because YouTube now merge both channels, the VEVO YouTube channel and your normal YouTube channel, merging into one, and then that one become an official artist channel. You will have like this sign, this music sign after the name as a verification, and the content from the YouTube VEVO channel will become one with the content in your normal channel. So all the content from one will be in the other. So it's not anymore necessary to have a YouTube VEVO channel. And these are the points why you can still have a VEVO channel or create a VEVO channel. And the first one is because your music will be in an extra video platform. That extra video platform is the vevo.com, the website, the VEVO website. And that is outside of YouTube. And there's more revenue that you can collect from there. Extra revenue. I know you like that. And that's the second point, because you can earn extra money from that platform. And also, you have another opportunity to grow your community in that platform. So you can consider these 2 points and create your VEVO channel. No problem with that. But listen to my recommendations. First, if you're going to create a VEVO channel, make sure you only do it if you are thinking of merging both channels. I mean, to claim your official artist channel with YouTube. That's the only reason I will do it. Remember that you cannot edit your content. Remember that. Keep that in mind. The process of sending a video to VEVO is way too stressful. If you don't know how to do it well, you can spend more than a month just trying to send a video. I don't recommend that. Because they have certain rules that you need to follow in order to be accepted in VEVO. So nowadays, humanity is more focused on YouTube to listen to music, to watch music videos, to follow artists. So I recommend to focus on YouTube. Focus your career on YouTube and Spotify, Apple Music, and the rest of the streaming services. So VEVO is no longer as necessary as it previously was. It has gone from being essential to being optional. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell, please. Consider supporting me on this channel by becoming a member of this channel. And I will be live streaming very soon. So keep up to date. Bye.